Simplify the expression ln of x minus 3 plus ln of x squared minus 16 minus 2 ln of x minus 4. Which of the following cannot be a correct simplification? These are ln's which behave the same way as logs because ln is log base e. So when I combine these into a single logarithm, the first thing that I want to do is look for coefficients and turn them into exponents. So I can make this ln of x minus 3, nothing changes there, plus ln of x squared minus 16, nothing changes there, minus ln of x minus 4 squared. So maybe what I'll do to just make this appear a little bit cleaner is just add another round of parentheses there to just, make that look nice. Now, when adding ln's or logs of the same base, you're going to multiply the inside. So we're going to multiply x minus 3 and x squared minus 16. So ln of x minus 3 times x squared minus 16. We're not going to do anything yet because I have a feeling we're not going to want to do anything. It seems like our answers want us to factor it or maybe even factor it more. Now I'm going to subtract ln of x minus 4 squared. When subtracting logs of the same base, or in this case ln's, we're going to divide inside the parentheses. So that becomes a big grand total of ln of parentheses x minus 3, x squared minus 16, all over x minus 4 squared. Now, which of the following is not this? So right now I have x minus 3, x squared minus 16, and x minus 4 squared. So far you check out to be correct, which means you will not be a correct answer. Now, it looks like B, what they're doing is they're factoring out x squared minus 16. So the only difference between A and B is x squared minus 16 does in fact factor out to x minus 4 and x plus 4. So you, B, is the same as A, factor out a little bit. So you are correct, which means I don't want you. Now if I were to take a look at C, and notice, wait a minute, if I were to just factor this out a little bit more to make it x minus 4 times x minus 4, you'll notice that these guys cancel each other out, leaving us with an x minus 3, x plus 4 over x minus 4, which happens to be C. So B and C are the same thing, which means you are not what I want. And of course, after all of this, you'll notice that there's an x plus 4 on the bottom, and you're like, what the heck, why is that even there? Which means you're false. And we want the one that is not correct. So D is going to be my answer. Tricky, tricky, tricky.